Hi, this is Reina with WTI.
Do you want to make everything more organized and stop leaving your makeup product all over the counter? You need to have this, the rotating makeup organizer. It makes everything looks neat and tidy. Holds perfume bottles. You can put the shelf level to suit your bottle height to fit various sizes of cosmetics and accessories, like this one here. The good thing about this is you keep everything in one place, organized. It has a lot of room to keep my makeup and my brushes as well, as you see. The spin is great, giving easy access to all of the stuff. And another thing about this rotating organizer is you can use it in your bedroom or bathroom, or even this organizer can be used in the kitchen. I'm very happy with this organizer. It's black and looks beautiful. Totally recommend it.
And this is my point of view.